Okay, it's me, Tony. I have to show you here the HueLiv Smart Floor Lamp. Bought it on Amazon. Gonna check it out. We're gonna open up the box. If you notice over here, it says, "Do not drench," and also forbid children to play alone. So, the cameraman is my son Ezra. You're no longer allowed to play alone once we open this box. Oh, look. That's cute. It's family. Okay, what do we have here? We have the smart floor lamp on top, and some cords and things. Oh my gosh. I really don't know what to expect here. Instructions. Foam stuff. Oh, here we go. Other thing. The base. It's very heavy, sturdy, feels good. Could throw it at somebody, knock them out, maybe. What is this? It's the plug. Pretty good looking plug there. And that's it. The rest is just styrofoam, cardboard and stuff. So we're gonna set this up. Okay, so now that we've unboxed everything, I've got all the pieces laying out on the floor here. As you can see, step number 1 in the instructions starts with it already assembled. So there's no directions on how to do that, but it looks pretty simple. So I'm gonna just assemble it right now. Let's plug it in and see what happens. Oh, look at that. Got some bright light. Wow, that really lights up this room. This is nice. Oh, now it's changing all colors. Now it's a party. Okay, so now that we have our light all set up, the next step to do is to pair it with the phone. And I think the way that you do that is you hit the on-off button 6 times. Then you long press the power button. And wait. Okay, we're connected. It took forever. Okay, now comes the fun part, I think. Yes. So we can change colors. Yeah, do you see that color wheel? Now we can change the color of the light. And we can turn it on and off, I'm guessing. Oh, maybe not. And we can change the brightness. And saturation, I guess. It's pretty cool. And I guess you can set up different scenes for if you're doing different activities or different times of day, what you want the light to be like. And there's a music. I'm not sure what that's all about. Do we want to allow it to record audio? That's kind of weird, isn't it? Let's do it.
And it's not doing anything.
I'm not really sure what that's about. Let's not do that. Okay, so we got it all set up. Let's exciting. Keep it on white for now. Zoop. Cool. Alright, we connected it. So this is my review of unboxing of this thing. It's pretty sweet. It's a good deal. You should buy one. Oh God. I don't know what's happening.